Okay, welcome viewers. Today I'm going to present entrepreneurship question and answer for chapter 4. Let's start from question 1. The direction is as usual. Choose the best answer. Question number 1. What is the main goal of product or service development? A. To increase company's expenses. B. To bring a new product or service to the market. C. To eliminate competition. D. To reduce employees' workload. The answer for question number 1 is B. To bring a new product or service to the market. Question number 2. What are the 4 stages of product or service development process? What are the 4 stages of the product or service development process? A. Designs, sales, distribution, marketing. B. Idea generation, incubation, implementation, diffusion. C. Research, marketing, production, feedback. D. Brainstorming, advertising, selling, discontinuation. The answer for question number 2 is B. Idea generation, incubation, implementation, and diffusion. Question number 3. What is the first step in product or service development process? A. Idea screening. B. Market testing. C. Idea generation. B. Business analysis. The answer for question number 3 is C. Idea generation. Question number 4. What is the primary purpose of market testing in product or service development? A. To launch a product without any prior research. B. To identify and fix defects before mass production. C. To immediately increase sales. D. To reduce production costs. The answer for question number 4 is B. To identify and fix defects before mass production. Question number 5. Which of the following is not a factor in a business analysis for product development? A. Estimated total sales. B. Estimating costs and profits. C. Evaluating customers' compliance. D. Break-even analysis. The answer for question number 5 is C. Evaluating customer compliance. Question number 6. Why is customer satisfaction crucial in product or service development? A. It ensures that the product or service meets customer needs and expectations. B. It eliminates the need for marketing. C. It reduces competition in the market. D. It guarantees immediate profitability. The answer for question number 6 is A. It ensures that the product or service meets the customer's need and expectation. Question number 7. What is the primary goal of concept development and testing? A. To see if customers understand and accept the product idea. B. To create advertisements for the product. C. To mass produce the product immediately. D. To sell the product at the highest possible price. The answer for question number 7 is A. To see if customer understand and accept the product idea. Question number 8. How does intellectual property protection benefit an entrepreneur? A. It allows others to freely use their ideas. B. It provides legal ownership and prevents authorized use of an idea. C. It increases the cost of production. D. It eliminates the need for branding. The answer for question number 8 is B. It provides legal ownership and prevents authorized use of an idea. Question number 9. What role does marketing strategy development play in product or service development process? A. It determines how a product will be introduced and positioned in the market. B. It focuses only on product design. C. It eliminates the need for computer analysis. D. It prevents customers from choosing other brands. The answer for question number 9 is A. It determines how a product will be introduced and positioned in the market. Question number 10. Why is legal and regulatory compliance important in product or service development? A. It ensures a business operation within the law and protects intellectual properties. B. It eliminates the need for quality control. C. It guarantees customer loyalty. D. It increases business expenses unnecessarily. The answer for question number 10 is A. It ensures the business operation within the law and protects intellectual property. Question number 11. A company is developing a new smartphone and wants to test how customers respond to its design. What steps should they take? A. Market testing. B. Concept development and testing. C. Idea screening. D. Commercialization. The answer for question number 11 is B. Concept development and testing. Question number 12. An entrepreneur wanted to protect their unique brand name and logo. What type of intellectual property should they apply for? A. Patent. B. Trademark. C. Copyright. D. Trade secret. The answer for question number 12 is B. Trademark. Question number 13. A startup company is developing a new energy drink. To estimate the potential sales and profitability, which step should they focus on? A. Business analysis. B. Idea generation. C. Marketing testing. D. Commercialization. The answer for question number 13 is A. Business analysis. Question number 14. If a company wanted to test different advertising methods for new product, what is the best approach? A. Randomly select an advertising method. B. Conduct market testing. C. Ignore customer feedback. D. Launch the product immediately. The answer for question number 14 is B. Conduct market testing. Question number 15. A pharmaceutical company has developed a new medicine. What type of intellectual property protection do they need? A. Trademark. B. Patent. C. Copyright. D. Industrial design. The answer for Question number 15 is B. Patent. Question number 16. What is the key difference between patents and copyrights? A. Copyrights protect inventions while patents protect literary works. B. Patents protect invention while copyright protect creative works. C. Copyright lasts forever but patent expire in 5 years. D. Patents only apply to software. The answer for question number 16 is B. Patents protect inventions while copyright protect creative works. Question number 17. A company is launching a new product and is deciding whether to enter the market early or wait. Which strategy should they consider? A company is launching a new product and is deciding whether to enter the market early or wait. Which strategy should they consider? A. First entry, last entry, parallel entry strategy. C. Random market selection strategy. C. Single product strategy. D. Undifferentiated marketing strategy. The answer for question number 17 is first entry, last entry, parallel entry strategy. Question number 18. A business is deciding whether to continue developing a product after market testing. What is the most important factor in this decision? A. The number of employees working on the project. B. The feedback and demand from test consumers. C. The personal preference of the CEO. D. The competitor's pricing strategy. The answer for question number 18 is B. The feedback and demand from testing consumers. Question number 19. A company wanted to develop a product that stands out in the market. What is the best approach? A. Copy a competitor's design. B. Identify customer pain points and solve them. C. Reducing production costs without improving quality. C. Selling at the highest possible price. The answer for question number 19 is B. Identify customer pain points and solving them. Question number 20. Question number 20. You are designing a marketing entry strategy for a new eco-friendly product. What factors should you consider? A. Competitor pricing, consumer demand, and sustainability trends. B. The CEO's personal preference. C. Only online marketing channels. D. Ignoring consumers' research. The answer for question number 20 is A. Competitor pricing, consumer demand, and sustainability trends. This is all about chapter 4. Thank you, viewers, for listening and watching this program.